The MSBCI is our MSBCoach Coaching Institute. This institute was developed just for leaders to help them engage and learn coaching competencies in order to enhance their leadership skills and abilities. The MSBCoach Coaching Institute is just an outstanding opportunity for leaders. One of the things that we know as a leader is that we have all kinds of tools in our tool belt, and hopefully we're constantly growing and developing and sharpening that leadership saw. And this is another tool to put in your leadership tool belt. Coaching is all about asking meaningful questions. It is a paradigm shift. When you think about communication, the spectrum goes from telling to asking, and then all sorts of things in between, like giving advice, making suggestions, being curious. And so during the Coaching Institute, leaders learn how to ask powerful questions. When we ask powerful questions, we gain insight from the other person. They are moving to a whole different level of engagement and exchange. They are then critically thinking. When people are critically thinking and contributing, the whole conversation moves to a different level, and so does the buy-in, because the person is sharing their own insights and their own ideas, or another thing is they're coming up with their own solutions to a problem or something that it is that they're facing. The Coaching Institute is definitely for leaders who are interested in growing and developing and increasing their competencies as leaders. And in particular, this is increasing their competency as coaching and asking powerful questions. So the one thing that we know is moving into this realm of using coaching as a tool is not for every leader, and all leaders aren't ready for it. But definitely for leaders who are ready to enhance their skills, enhance their ability, and do really embrace that openness and curiosity and onboarding and empowering people on their teams to be even more, then if that's you, this is a perfect fit for you, leader.